In today's video, we'll go through everything you need to understand about binary fission. This is the process by which prokaryotic organisms, such as bacteria, divide and reproduce. We'll discuss how binary fission works and how to calculate the rate at which bacterial populations grow. Before we begin, it's important to note that binary fission is different from mitosis or meiosis. While those processes occur in eukaryotic cells, binary fission is exclusive to prokaryotic cells like bacteria. Starting with a single bacterial cell, we observe that it has a cell wall, a cell membrane, cytoplasm, a large circular strand of DNA containing essential genes, and some bacteria also have a flagellum, a tail-like structure used for movement, though not all possess one. As mentioned earlier, binary fission is the process through which a single bacterial cell divides into two. Since bacteria are unicellular organisms, binary fission is not only a method of cell division but also a form of reproduction. This is why it is sometimes referred to as a type of asexual reproduction. Now, let's explore how binary fission occurs. Before division, a bacterial cell must complete two key steps. First, it grows in size to ensure it can generate two new cells. Second, it replicates its genetic material, including its primary DNA strand and plasmids, so that both new cells receive genetic information. Once replication is complete, the two large circular DNA strands move to opposite sides of the cell. This ensures that each daughter cell receives one copy. However, the plasmids are distributed randomly, meaning one daughter cell may receive more than the other. When the cell is ready to divide, a new cell wall forms in the middle, separating the two halves. Eventually, the two halves split apart, resulting in two new bacterial cells. Now, let's examine how rapidly bacterial populations can increase. Since binary fission is a simple process, it occurs quickly. Under ideal conditions, some bacteria can divide every 20 minutes. Because the population doubles with each division, a single bacterium becomes 2, 2 become 4, 4 become 8, and so on, leading to rapid population growth. For example, if bacteria continue doubling every 20 minutes for 5 hours, the population could exceed 250,000 cells.
If you haven't heard before, you can find all of our videos on our website geniushub.co.uk. Additionally, you'll also find MCQs, flashcards, past papers, and quizzes. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more content like this.